Hello everyone, my name is Urumbiam. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's topic, Introduction to Python Polymorphism. Welcome to the world of polymorphism in Python. Learn how this powerful concept simplifies code and enhances its flexibility. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. It allows objects of different classes to be treated as if they were objects of a common type. This means that the same code can be used to handle objects of different types, leading to more flexible and reusable programs. Understanding polymorphism. One interface, many forms. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as if they were objects of a common type. It enables you to write code that can work with objects of different classes in uniform way. Code reusable and flexibility. By polymorphism, you can write generic code that can be applied to various objects without needing to know their specific types. This promotes code reusability and enhances the flexibility of your programs. Polymorphism with functions. Functions overloading. Define multi-functions with the same name but different parameters. Python chooses the appropriate function based on argument passed. Function overriding. In inheritance, a subclass can override a method defined in its subclass, providing a different implementation. Polymorphism with classes. Base class defines a common interface for all subclasses. Subclass 1 implements the base class method in its own way. Subclass 2 implements the base class method in its own way. Inheritance and polymorphism. Superclass provides common attributes and methods. Subclass. Inheritance provides from the superclass. Polymorphism. Subclasses can override methods from the superclass, resulting in different behavior. Real-world applications of polymorphism. Web development. Handling different user interactions and data formats. Data science. Analyzing and processing diverse datasets with different formats. Game development. Creating interactive game objects with different behavior. Conclusion. Conclusion and key takeaways. Code flexibility. Write code that can handle objects of different types. Code reusability. Reduced by writing generic functions and methods. Enhanced readability. Use familiar operations and syntax for working with your objects. Thank you.